everyone! I'm going to give you a quick tour of my recycled kitchen. Oh, come. First, we have the washing machine made of a box. Yay! Got some balls there. Okay, what else do we have, Yomi? These are empty bottles of mama's spices. What else do we have? This is also an old box. The kitchen's counter, sink, stove. Yes, what's that? Yes, the washing machine. This is where we have the broom and dustpan. This plant toys oven. That's second hand, bought second hand. Yes, like that, yeah. What else do we have? How about your fridge? And a big box that serves as Yomi's fridge, but it locks with a clip. Doesn't work that well, but that's fine. And then toaster gifted to Yomi years back. Since secondhand cups, plate, yeah, with pan. Okay, show us what's inside your fridge, Yomi. Yeah, we have fruits, plastic fruits, salt. What else do you have? Handle. What else do you have? What's that? Carrot. What else do you have? How about what's inside it? What's that? And what's that? Water. Alright. What's that? Lemon. You're squeezing lemons now. What's this?
It's orange.
Orange. Good. So this is your kitchen, Yomi. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Say bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
Mwah. Bye bye. Say God bless.
God bless.